Assalamualaikum guys, hope you're all well. So today we're making baked fish. Let's see how it's done. So to begin with, we need an airtight container. Also guys, do please subscribe and press that bell icon. So I decided to make haddock today, and here are the pieces going into the container. So I'm adding 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, which I've grinded. Now I'm adding 1 lemon, which I squeezed the juice out. So with the masala we have red chili flakes, turmeric powder, ajwain, salt, cumin and coriander powder, garam masala, and in the middle we've got a bit of tandoori masala as well. So give that little mix, or shall I say shake. And I'm adding a bit of olive oil, about 1.5 teaspoons. So now I'm going to keep this in the fridge overnight, and then I'll show you what to do next. So it's nearly iftari time, and then it's time to prepare the fish. So I've got a baking tray here. I did add a bit of olive oil to the tray, and now I'm adding the marinated fish. So foil on 180 Celsius and for about 40 minutes. Ooh, these are looking so good. So you can eat them like this, but I'm going to add a bit more colour to it. So now plate up and finally dig in. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you like this quick recipe. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.